Think about the last time you made a decision at a restaurant. If the menu had 3 or 4 options, you probably chose quickly and felt good about it. But if the menu had 50 items, you likely took longer, felt less confident, and maybe even regretted your choice afterward. Psychologists call this the paradox of choice. The idea was popularized by psychologist Barry Schwartz, who argued that while some choice is obviously better than none, too much choice can actually make us less happy. When we have dozens of options, we start worrying about making the wrong one. We compare, we second guess, and we end up less satisfied, even if we made a perfectly good choice. This applies far beyond restaurants. Students choosing from hundreds of college courses, shoppers selecting from endless products online, the effect is the same. More options lead to more anxiety and more regret. Now, Schwartz makes an important distinction between two types of decision makers. Maximizers try to find the absolute best option, and they tend to suffer most from choice overload. Satisficers, on the other hand, choose the first option that meets their basic criteria, and they tend to be happier with their decisions overall.